Hey, how's it going? It's Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I just wanted to really quickly walk you through how I was able to lock in my first Clickbank sale about a week ago. As this is recording this video, I got it on March 20th. You can see here for 52.77. Today's actually the 27th in China. That's where I'm at right now. So anyway, let me walk you through how I did this, and then maybe you can kind of model it and see similar results or get your first results on ClickBank by kind of doing the same thing. So to do that, I'm going to basically walk you through the journey of the person who went ahead and made this purchase, okay? So they started out discovering me on Pinterest. So this is my Pinterest profile right here. I get plenty of views on Pinterest, and it actually leads to pretty good traffic to my blog. And so, for example, if someone will click on this one here, and they'll look at it, and they'll decide that they want to learn a little bit more. They want to discover like 5 ways that they can make money. So what they do next is they click on this image, and it'll take them over to this page. There's plenty of pages. This one's got over 4,000 shares on Pinterest, so it's doing pretty good. It's actually my best performing page right now. It gets all the traffic, or most of the traffic. So a person will come here and they'll start reading this or going through it, and then there will be a pop-up on the window that will aim to collect their email address. And the person decided to do that. They put their email address in, and they end up in my on my list and into my autoresponder series. So I'm going to take you to the series right now and show you. So basically, they're going to sign up for a free boot camp, which is going to teach them how to create their own blog. And they go through that up to no, 8 actually is the last day of the blog training, and then they go into more training about list building, and then on these last few here are actually just ClickBank offers, okay? And the one that actually got the sale is this one right here, and I'll open it up so you can see what it looks like. Basically, I just took the ClickBank product, and they have email swipes there, so I grabbed their swipe file and just added it to my autoresponder list. So this is what it looks like. The person, they read it, they got the email, they read it, they clicked on the link, and it took them over to, let me see if I can open link in a new window and show you what the offer is. It's affiliate bots, it's an Autobot thing. It's for affiliate marketing. And they went ahead and decided to, they got the initial offer, which is pretty cheap, I think, and then they went and got an upsell as well. So that is how I was able to get my first sale on ClickBank, through building a list. I'm going to have some training down in the description of this video. If you want to get your list started, I suggest you go ahead and take advantage of this free training inside of the 4% group. This one is completely free to access once you've created a profile. So join up through my link in the description of this video and start building your list. If you want to learn how to create a blog, I'll have my 7-day blog course available. All you gotta do is visit my website, and then a pop-up will show up, and then you'll be able to get into that training straight away. And as far as driving traffic through Pinterest, I would recommend you take the same course that I took to learn how to do it, and that is the Pinterest Traffic Avalanche course by the guys over at Create and Go. And naturally, there'll be an affiliate link to that in the description of this video also. Pinterest by far is the best way for me, that I've found anyway, to drive free traffic to my site. And let me see, can I pull up a quick little analytics to show you the kind of traffic that I had been getting or have been getting recently. So I'll give this a chance to load up. And so there's no one there right now, but over the past 7 days, we've had 844 people come through. There were actually 8 page views 9 minutes ago. So on average, it looks like we're getting about 100, I'd say 100 page views per day. Okay, that's all coming from social, which is Pinterest. I've got the organic search starting to hit too, which is nice. But you know, highs and lows with this Pinterest traffic stuff. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, there's that page I was talking about. It's got the most views. I definitely suggest blogging if you're not the type of person who enjoys being on camera. The blogs made me pretty consistently an extra $100 a month. And if you subtract what I pay for everything, then it's not that much really. I'm only profiting about like $20 right now because I'm paying for like Aweber, and I think that's about it actually, just Aweber. And like I guess hosting, but that I paid all the hosting like for 3 years in advance. So, but that would work out to like $5 a month. But anyway, I digress. List building, guys. List building is the way I got my first sale on Clickbank a week ago for $52.77. So really excited about that personally because I'd been trying to get a sale on Clickbank for a while, and yeah, it finally happened about a week ago. I didn't really even notice until like 3 days ago, and I was like, well, that's cool. I'll make a quick video and show you guys how I did it. Okay, so if you want to learn how to build your list for free, you could join the 4%, and then you can get access to the list building strategies for free. And they've also got a bunch of other free programs. I think this one's free too. The Instagram Secrets, Fan Page Domination. They have paid programs as well. So it's really up to you what you want to do. So I'll have the links in the description of this video. Best of luck to you in your journey of making money on Clickbank. Hopefully I'll have more results to show you guys in the future. Actually, I'm working on a second website, but I'm not going to, put it out there just yet until I see some results with it. Okay, so, but when I do, I'll definitely let you guys know. I'm really, really super excited about doing these niche blogs. I think they're like the best way for me personally to go about making money online, and maybe for you as well. I mean, you can always try YouTube, but it gets pretty dodgy these days. A friend of mine, well, not a friend, I suppose an acquaintance of mine, Paul Bivens, I believe, he got his channel shut down. And John Michael got his channel shut down a little while ago. And they're just, trying to show people how to make money online. I think perhaps they were a bit too clickbaity, or someone just didn't, a lot of people just didn't like what they had to say, and their videos were just getting too many downvotes, so they shut them down. So anyway, build your list. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them in the comment section below the video. And you can join the Facebook group too. I'll try to get more active in there to answer questions or whatnot if enough people are in there. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you later. Have a good day, good week, good month, good year. Take care of yourself. Peace.